Losing contacts on a POCO phone, especially during SIM card swaps or sync issues with Google or Mi Cloud, can be frustrating. In this video, we'll show you 4 reliable ways to recover your deleted contacts quickly and safely. Option 1. Recover deleted contacts on POCO phone via Google Contacts. Prerequisites: Google account, synced contacts, considerations, trash for 30 days. Quick guide: visit Contacts, Google.com, open bin. Click Recover, enable sync, open Contacts. Option 2. Retrieve deleted contacts on POCO via Facebook app. Prerequisites: synced contacts, Facebook access, considerations. Only synced contacts can be restored. Manual recovery. Quick guide: open Facebook. Go to Settings, Account Center Info. Select Address Books, save contacts. Option 3. Restore deleted contacts on POCO via SIM card import. Prerequisites: contacts on SIM. Considerations: no internet needed. Quick guide: ensure contacts on SIM. Go to Settings, manage contacts. Tap Import from SIM, or use Contacts app import. Option 4. Recover deleted contacts on POCO via MobiKin program, highest success rate. Prerequisites: PC, Mac, USB debugging. Considerations: no backup needed. Core features: recover contacts, messages, photos. Selective restore. POCO C, M, X, F compatible. Fast recovery. Quick user guide: download and install MobiKin Doctor for Android. Connect your POCO phone via USB and enable USB debugging. Once detected, select Contacts and click Next. Optionally, root the device for a deeper scan. Preview and select contacts to restore. Click Recover to save them to your computer.